Hi, I'm Roger with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at a 2018 Newmar Baystar. This is a 3401 34-foot floor plan. It's a full Baystar, and one of the things that I really love about the full Baystar, as opposed to the Baystar Sport, is all of our doors are side swinging doors. Okay? Makes for great storage, easy access, no duck and dive. Easy to close, easy to open. Wonderful, wonderful upgrade of the side swing doors. This is going to have the large automatic awning. Okay, if the wind picks up, the awning starts jumping too much, it's going to automatically close, and it's adjustable. Here we've got the Awning 5500 watt micro quiet generator. Some more storage. This is great storage. You can see that it actually goes all the way through and out the other side. A lot of great storage. We've got our trailer hitch. One thing also that I love about the Newmar is that you do get a rear window. Frameless, tinted, really nice feature. This is the other side of that storage. See, with a side swing door underneath the slide out, it makes it really nice. If these were upswing doors, you wouldn't have that access. Here's our plumbing station. This has the black tank flush out, get rid of any solid contamination in your black tank. Here's our dump area. This is separated from the fresh water, like that. More storage, and a big LP tank. You can also see the automatic hydraulic leveling underneath there. This is on the big chassis, so it's got the big 22-inch wheels with the Alcoas. Love them. This is a full body paint coach. It's a little dirty. It's got the side cameras. It's got the backup camera. Ooh. Nice TV on the outside of the coach. Underneath the awning, you can sit out here by the fire, really kick back, get your relaxation on. Let's go inside. In our cab area, we've got our usual Ford front end. This is the latest and greatest Ford engine transmission combination. 460 foot-pounds of torque with a 6-speed transmission. Flex steel furniture throughout. Here's our automatic hydraulic leveling. Storage up front. Here's our command center. Okay. Gas, electric, water element. Our power management system here. Our inverter. Slide out control. Heated holding tanks. And our awning. Nice solid surface countertops. I love the new sinks they've put in. Under cabinet mounted. Sealed. Pull-out fixture, 3-burner stove with cover, large Whirlpool convection microwave. The dinette, that's what we call the dream dinette. You release a lever, push this down, makes it into a bed, no moving legs around and stuff like that. Large sofa, queen size, height of bed sofa, also by Flex Steel, straight across from the TV with the Bose soundbar. 16,000 BTU forced air electric furnace. Wonderful. That will heat this house up very nice. This is a Newmar, so it's got the 3-inch thick walls. Good sized bathroom. Large corner shower. Take a look how big that is. This is a 2-slide coach. We have a full wall slide on the driver's side, which gives us this really beautiful closet here, and a pantry. One of the great things about the double slide, with one being a full wall slide, is that in our bedroom we actually have quite a bit of room. You're not cramped trying to get dressed. King size bed, Excellent storage underneath the bed. This is the cushion to turn the booth into a bed. Storage and electricity on both sides of the bed. Lights over the headboard. TV, DVD here in the bedroom. This particular unit has 4 TVs. 1 in the bedroom, 2 in the living room, 1 outside. So if there's a dozen games on, you can catch most of them. I'm Roger with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Thank you. Have a great day.